All right, boys and girls, we are in week 12. So right now I am in my science course, and when I click, we are in the week of November 2nd through November 6th. You are watching the overview video for this week. When I go into Monday's folder, you will notice that we do not really have any assignments in science today. Why? Because we used quite a bit of our time today to do that math benchmark test. Now when we go into Tuesday, you are going to review the food chain. You are going to watch 2 videos. I'm not sure why this one isn't popping up, but it is there. There it is. So we've got 2 videos, this one and then this one. This one doesn't show the video screen like normal, but it is here. So you'll click, you may have to download the video and it'll pop up down here like in the corner of your computer screen. But 2 videos, these go over the food chain and also reviewing consumers, producers on, let's see, on Wednesday, we are going to read out of that small pink workbook. We haven't done a lot of work in this book, but today we're going to read page 75. This will again review the food chain, again, those consumers, producers, and decomposers. And then you have this food chain questions activity right here, just to check for your understanding. It's 5 multiple choice questions. Then we're going to go into Thursday's folder. You are reading in the science textbook, so now the bigger book, and you're going to read pages 534 through 537. You're going to learn about something a little bit different, not necessarily a food chain, but a food web. Then you're going to complete this discussion board where you explain how food chains are like food webs. Finally, on Friday, you're going to use your science notebook and your science textbook. So the notes you've been taking on those interactive notebook pages with Miss Peterson and Miss Curry, and then you're going to complete this Sum It Up. Again, there's some matching, some multiple choice, and some fill in the blank. Just read each question very carefully. I will make this assignment resumable, so if for some reason you get closed out of it or you have to exit and come back, you can return, and it will not like submit it automatically. I know we've had problems with that. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope that we have a great week in science.